Who's got the vibes? It got select a pull up. But tell me I'm really there too rough. I'm really there too tough. We have to send it up to the fullness. Set it off, the prophet rides again. Oh, you mean? Wait. Who's got the vibes? To keep the dance on the line. Who's got the vibes? It must be the 12 tribes. Who's got the vibes? To keep the dance on the line. Who's got the vibes? It must be the 12 tribes. In him, don't give me no rights, don't give me no rights. Just give me 12 tribes, true damn rights. Don't give me no law, we just want grace. Cause I am stepping on the Orthodox faith. Don't give me no rights, don't give me no rights. Just give me 12 tribes, true damn rights. Don't give me no law, just want grace. I am stepping on the Orthodox faith. Cause faith is the evidence of things unseen. If you read your Bible, you know what I mean. Also the substance of things hoped for. But to a double faith, they must be empty truth. Couldn't talk about the past or present or the future. But faith is a subject we come to explore. You have no fear, man, you walk through the door. You don't have no fear, you get caught in the war with him. Don't give me no rights, don't give me no rights. Just give me 12 try true damn rights. Don't give me no law, we just want grace. Cause I am stepping on the Orthodox faith. I remember before God and name Abraham. To him at the faith, if you stand up strong. What about Daniel, who's in the lion's den? But to him at the faith, it was no problem. And what about Jonah in the belly of the whale? But to him at the faith, that the wind just could not fail. And what about Joseph, we sent to Egypt? To him at the faith, it just flew over it. When we check it out, then we could have mentioned Isaac, Jacob, Noah, Moses, and Gideon. Joshua, Rahab, Samuel, not forgetting Samson. Cause faith is the key, we can move a mountain in him. Don't give me no rights, don't give me no rights. Just give me 12 trying to damn rights. Don't give me no law, we just want grace. Cause I am stepping on the Orthodox faith. But who's got the vibes to keep the dance all alive? Who's got the vibes? It must be the 12 tribes. Who's got the vibes to keep the dance all alive? Who's got the vibes? It must be the 12 tribes. Now I'm thinking to the point, I'm thinking to the subject. Fear without the works and I see no sign of death. Anything you want through the faith you have to get. Continue chapter 12 is when the promise was made. Revelation chapter 7, so yes you reject. That is the part where Jah is select. 144,000 of the elect. From the children of Israel whose faith is perfect. Rastafari, Selassie, the Almighty, they cannot fight it. Give thanks for the prophet, you don't know every time. Blessed is he with large it can. Works is outer, international, the four corners of the earth, your children rising. Send it up, my selector.
Come on, give try to glory, give try to praise, come on, rise. morning to try to praise, give try to glory. The right, morning shine.
What that?
I'm morning to try to glory, to try to praise. Come on and right.
What is?
I'm morning shine. I'm morning to try to praise, to try to glory.
Never this, who the better say about that? About the prophet man and say no but no fit chat. Cause believe in God and say that's blessed by it well. You prosper if you listen what the prophet got to tell. Believe in him that you will blessed by it well. You prosper if you listen what the prophet got to tell. Cause the prophet had a man to go here. In the name of the lion fight the dragon and deer. Yes, the prophet had a man to go here. He fight against the lion and never see the deer. Lord of mercy. By Rastafari combination
Every time,
you know, unity, that's what it's all about.